Hi, welcome to YOUCANIC. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a factory reset on the Tesla Model 3. This is helpful if you go to sell the car, and it'll clear all your settings and everything for the next owner, so they can go through and make their own driver profiles and set up their phone, and all your settings will be cleared. So how to do this is to go to the bottom left hand corner of the home screen and click the car icon to bring up the controls. Then you go to service and scroll down here to factory reset. If you click that, you'll have to sign into your Tesla account using your email address and password that's been previously set up. And then after that, you will hit continue, and then it'll start resetting everything. Again, this is only recommended if you're selling the car, or if you want to clear all your settings, because it will clear everything from your driver profiles to all your mirror settings and seat settings and everything. So that's how to do a factory reset on the Tesla Model 3. Thanks for watching.